Hello, biology students. Welcome to week 10. I hope that you had a restful fall break where you had a week off. We're going to pick up right where we left off, as we are now confirmed with the district that we're going to be doing digital learning like this to at least the end of this semester, which ends in December. The district, as I understand it, we'll look at the situation again at the end of November and decide whether second semester, which starts in January, will be like this with digital learning, or there'll be some sort of on-site type of component along with it. I'm hopefully that for my students out there that are not getting the work done and your grades are not good right now, that you understand that you're gonna need to do the digital learning, and that hoping that you're going to go back on the campus and get your grades up real quick before the end of the semester. That's not going to happen now. So you need to get this work done. You need to reach out for help if you're stuck on things, because that grade that you're going to get in December is going to be a permanent grade. If you fail the first semester of biology, you will not be able to graduate high school until you have retaken the class and gotten a passing grade. So don't want to do that. Don't want to have to go to a credit recovery program or anything like that. Let's just get it taken care of right now. And so let's take care of that. As far as grades go, so I gave everybody the opportunity to turn in any work from weeks 1 through 9 over the break for some late credit. And some people took advantage of that, so I appreciate you. Thank you very much. A lot of people did not, that still needed that credit. So we are starting fresh now with week 10. The only thing you can turn in late this week and still get credit for would be the notes from Energy Pyramid and consumers and producers and decomposers. All those notes, you can still turn those in for late credit. And if your project did not get done, I'm going to give you a extension this week, and let me explain why. So as I sit here on the weekend before school starts back up, some of your classmates have brought it to my attention that the file for turning in the projects was not allowing to upload pictures, upload files, upload links. I don't know why the Jupyter grade system switched it off like that, but I've gone to all the classes, periods 1, 2, 4, and 6, which are my biology classes, and I've turned it back on. So if you are having trouble uploading pictures or uploading information into the project, it wasn't your fault. Something on our end, something with the system. And so I fixed that now. So I'm going to give you these next couple days to still turn that project in and get full credit for it. I'll probably grade those around Tuesday or Wednesday-ish. And then you'll have a clear picture of where your grade is at going into the second half of the first semester. So that's great. We'll talk more about that in our check-in meetings this week on Monday and Tuesday. As far as what we need to get done today, or sorry, not today, this week, let me run down the assignments for you. I've got 3 assignments for you, so let's jump into them. Okay, so here we are, week 10. Title is nutrient recycling. Again, there's your check-in meetings with the link, same link as it's always been. This video is going to be right here, video for week 10. You have 3 things for me this week. We're going to take some notes, but we probably won't take those notes until, if I can spell it correctly, take those notes on Wednesday and Thursday. We'll take notes on the carbon cycle on Wednesday and Thursday. The check-in meetings for Monday and Tuesday, we're going to hit the concept map on energy flow. I want to spend a little time on Monday and Tuesday going over with everybody again what a concept map should look like and how to get started on it, because I know we've had some new additions, we've had some change in rosters, some people missed the first week because of technical issues, all sorts of reasons why people may not get a concept map. So we're going to go over that together on Monday and Tuesday in class. And then you have a quiz this week, and you might be thinking, what? It's first week back. Well, it's a quiz on the information from before the break. So the stuff you did your project on. So decomposers, producers, consumers, energy transfer, energy pyramid, food webs, all that stuff is on the quiz. So it's not new information this week. We're just using the notes from before the break. Okay, so you got notes this week, concept map this week, Jupyter quiz. Okay. If you scroll down, assignment number 1, like I said, concept map. These are the words right here. Producer, consumers, autotrophs, phototrophs, carnivore, trophic level, sunlight, saprotrophs, energy pyramid, enzymes, omnivore, and herbivore. All of those words should be in your notes from before, so you should have access to get to those. Remember, on your concept maps, you need to give a definition to each word, and then when you connect the words by lines, you need to also explain how they're connected. But like I said, we're going to go over that on Monday and Tuesday. There is a video right here. It says how to make a concept map. This is a video I made last year at the second semester. So the words you're going to see in there are not going to be words that we've gone over together. Things like DNA and transcription and translation. We will get to that. That's second semester. But the purpose of this video is not to show you how to do the concept map for these words. The purpose of this video is just to show you the process by which you make a map and write the summary. So don't be so concerned with the words if you watch that video. Just be concerned with the steps that you need to take. All right, so you usually make that on a piece of paper, write the summary on a piece of paper, or type it. It's totally up to you, and then you'll turn that in Jupyter by next Monday. There's a quiz on Jupyter, like I said, on that information. You should take your notes to these quizzes. I'm a little baffled by the scores I'm seeing on the quizzes. If you are taking just your notes and you're looking over your notes before you answer each question, it's really kind of hard for me to understand how you're getting a 1 out of 10 or a 2 out of 12. I mean, the answers are in your notes, so use your notes. Well, take advantage of it. So that's the second thing. That quiz is in Jupyter. And then the third thing, like I said, on Wednesday and Thursday, we will be taking notes together on the carbon cycle. After the notes are taken, I will also post them right here so that you can go get them should you have missed them for any reason. So basically, the notes is an assignment, take a quiz, and the concept map. If you come to classes this week, you're almost going to get 2 out of 3 of these done just by coming to class. So if you're not getting your work done in this course in biology, I really have to ask you, like, what are you doing? So if you're wondering if, like, oh, at the end of the semester, he's going to be a sweetheart and he's going to say, well, it was really hard. The coronavirus was a difficult time. And, you know, he's just going to give everybody a D. You don't know me very well. I've made it very step-by-step. I provide you with all the information. I provide you with supports and answers. And Fridays, I'm there to help you and answer all your questions. If you're not taking advantage or you're not telling me what your situation is, there's nothing I can do for you. I cannot just give you a grade because I think, the grade reflects what you know about biology. And if you never turn anything in and you don't pass any of the tests, what you're saying about biology is you don't know anything. So you will get a failing grade and you will have to probably repeat the class at some point. Like I said, let's not make that happen. Let's not even get there. So even if your first half of the semester was not good, let's start clean, let's start fresh, let's get it done for the second half. Let's get you at least up to a passing grade like a C or a D so you can move on and not have to take the class again. Okay? Reach out to me if you need any help through Jupyter Messages is probably the best way. And I will see all of you on Monday and Tuesday.